Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will create a new font effect which is called Wood Text Effect. Let's get started. At first I open a woodboard picture in Photoshop. Then select horizontal type tool and type any word or sentence. Pick a few shades of darker color from the board and resize the text. Now press and hold Ctrl key, then click on the text layer for selecting full text. Change the blending mode normal to soft light and deselect the selection. After that, go to blending option. Now select bevel and ambush. Here set style outer bevel, technique smooth, depth 100, direction up, size 10, soften 0. In shading section select angle 120, untick the global light and attitude 30. Then select texture option. Here for changing the pattern, go to pattern setting, select patterns, then a pop-up box will appear. Click OK and select 7 number pattern. Now set the pattern scale 95%. Click OK to save, and with this you can see the wood text effect is created. If you like our video, give like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Visit our website at www.clippingamazon.com.